Hey, congratulations. You've made it to week number 8, the final week of this class. And I just want to take a moment and first of all say thank you for all the work that you completed over the course of this class. I hope that you have found it inspiring, informative, and something that you can use long after you leave your educational studies, but that it's something that can be passed on from generation to generation, neighbor to neighbor, in many different contexts. So many practical principles that we can use in this. I think one of the most important things that I would take away from world religions is that the world is so diverse, so full of many intricacies and a lot of unique things. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of similarities, even when it comes to religion. And I think it's important that we're willing to respect, though we don't always have to agree, but we always respect other people's thoughts and beliefs. And we have intelligent conversations, rational conversations, not full of hate and bitterness, but of seeking to understand so that it helps make our faith even stronger. I'm not going to go any further on that except just to use this information in a way that will help our communities learn to continue to work together and to be a better society that is designed to take the principles that are found in all of the different religions of generosity, kindness, love, forgiveness, and use it to make a difference. So there's a nugget that you can use for this week and beyond. So for your final week of class, first thing you need to know, classes end early. This is a Friday end date, so it does not go like normal. So you have to recognize that come this Friday, the course will end. So all work has to be in by 11:55 p.m. on Friday. No exceptions to this because I will actually spend Saturday trying to grade everything, getting it finalized to send to the registrar so that they can immediately put in your grades. So there's no time extensions or anything of that nature. Okay. Now you have your final project. I encourage you to go back, watch the video again that you can find in the previous modules that will help you to make sure that you are following those examples. I go into specific detail on that video as to what I'm expecting. So I'm not going to talk a lot about it on this video, but I'm going to encourage you to reference that video for additional help on the research project. Your other assignment that you will do is what's known as a TED Talk. And if you've had me before, you know that I like TED Talks. I think that they are very helpful in short, engaging, entertaining conversations. So you're going to be looking at a TED Talk that is on the World Wide Web of belief as well as ritual. And it's a really good TED Talk. And as you're watching the TED Talk, you're going to complete this worksheet. Let's look at it right here. You can download this as a fillable PDF if you would like, or what you can do is use a Google Doc or Microsoft Word doc, and you can go one, the title of the TED Talk is da 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 da, two, the name of the speaker is fill in the blank, three, four, five, I found humorous, inspiring, dull, and on it goes. Make sure that you read these questions carefully because there are some, some of them have more than just one question, as you can see through pathos right here. Also, if you'll notice question number 8, which is talking about 2 specific things that the speaker did well in engaging the audience, and you'll need to put the time marker in there as far as what point it was that the speaker did that in your discussion. Okay, so there's 12 sections to this, so you can do this while watching that TED Talk, and that assignment is due on Friday, as is your final project website. So please, please, please understand no extensions. I can't there's just nothing I can do. So if you are unable to complete it by 11, 55 on Friday night, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to be able to extend anything just because I have to have an immediate turnaround on grades. So we'll leave it at that. But that shouldn't be a problem for anybody. Just don't forget that it is an early deadline on Friday and not Sunday as normal. As I finish grading everything, I'll send you out an email letting you that I have finalized all grades and posted all grades, so that way you'll know what the grade was for this class. I've enjoyed having you. It has been really cool getting to know you, and some of you I already knew, and learning again of your thoughts. And you've taught me several things about religion. Maybe a different look, a different perspective, and something that I want to go and research. So thank you for that. So I hope you have a great week and work hard on that project. It is 20% of your grade. It is huge. Do it well, do it right. And should I say it one more time, especially with that project? Detail, detail, detail. It's vital. Okay? Have a great week and reach out to me if you have any questions. Take care.